Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we've got a tech review for you. It's the CMF Buds Pro 2. So the reason we bought these was I've had these here for a while, my original earbuds, the Google Pixel Buds 1A, which were my originals. They worked pretty well. I've had them for around 3 years. I put the Bayern sticker on there. They have a very nice fit. They stay in there for as much as you want, but one of them has been acting just a little bit like you can barely hear and just sound quality, but I do like the features on it and the nice assistant. And you know, these came around, the CMF by Nothing, which is, everybody's been saying it's a pretty great brand. I do like what they make. These do look pretty nice, and from what I've heard, these are basically the best cheap earbuds on the whole market. They just are very nice quality. They've got nice sound. They've got 6 HD mics. They got a smart dial on there. It's what this is to control volume and stuff. Just a lot of great features and stuff.
So much did you pay for them?
$39.
It's a pretty solid deal.
Compared to these, which were a little more expensive than that, which these are Google's cheap earbuds, but we did pay more than these is all I know. And we do got some other stuff here. We got some Google Pixel Buds 2A, which is used by my brother, which is the newer versions of these, which he says they're great and stuff, which is pretty nice. These are my mom's Galaxy Buds Live, which have the coolest looking ones, I think. They just look amazing. And she says that they're her favorite because they
look like a little bean, right?
Yeah, they fit really good, and she's sad that they don't make anything like this anymore, but they're very nice. And these are my dad's Google Samsung Buds Pro 2 or 3 maybe.
3,
yep. And these are obviously pretty nice. They definitely look some stormtrooper vibes, but these is what the video is about today. Let's check them out. Here's the box again. Nice looking around, all around, bunch of the specs and stuff. Got a nice cold tab here. Just put that and then all right, let's see here. Oh yeah, we got that. Okay, it's looking nice. There's that. Here is, ooh, this is a nice presentation. I do like. I think these go like this. Maybe, I don't know. I don't think I'm doing it right, but there's the front of them. Ooh, they got some nice weight to them. They do feel pretty nice quality. Let's open them up. They look pretty nice, I'd say, actually. Very, very cool. Let's pick one of these. Ooh, nice magnet on there. Almost like an AirPod-like style, obviously. I mean, that's the new famous popular thing. Very nice looking.
Show us the case all around.
Quality. Here's the case, nice square.
So USB-C charging, of course, right?
Yep, right on the side there, which is interesting. Ooh, that is satisfying here. We've got...
Yeah, so what does that wheel do?
This controls, I think it can do like skips and stuff and volume. It's very satisfying if you can hear that.
That is really cool.
Very cool. It feels very like nice and rugged, actually. I like it. We'll test it out there a little bit. And I mean, it's got this little branding on here and the CMF by Nothing again. They look very cool. So that was a little bit of a close-up of these right here. And this also comes with the different sizes. And let's compare them to my old ones. Weight, these are definitely a little bit heavier. I'll say both the USB charging, but in terms of these are a little bit smaller, so I do like that, but this is a nice case. We'll grab the left one because I use that more. And I mean, in terms of the very different looks, these were definitely always great. I was just using them recently, actually, but we'll try these, you know.
Yeah, tell us how the fit feels.
Already connected to my phone. Nice Google Pixel system. Pretty flush in there. Obviously, just does not go anywhere. These are the lefts, I think. I think that those are the lefts. And
how's the fit feel?
It feels pretty good. I mean, I like these sometimes when you'd wear them for a while, you could definitely feel it in your ear. I'm not sure how these will be, but like they would start to like almost hurt a little bit. These just feel a little more like airy, a little more, but
They're a bit bigger.
They're definitely not, yeah, a lot bigger. You can definitely tell that you got something in your ear because they are white.
More AirPods style.
Yeah, definitely more, you know, people see, but I do like how they feel. They just, yeah, clearly not going out anywhere. I mean, I'm really trying, so.
Good fit.
Not bad, actually, so I do like them. That's good for that. Oh, sorry, okay. So I'm listening to them, finally connecting them up to my phone here. We got the app here that you can see, shows connected right away. Very works well with the Google Pixel system. You can change a bunch of stuff. One of the best features that I saw was you can see all the different things that you can do with them and the case, which I already started configuring. So it does different things. This thing is a button, so I can.
So it's a button too, not just a dial. That's just too awesome.
I can play, pause, you know, skip forward, do a bunch of different stuff. The app is very great. I'm already liking it. I haven't even really played around with it, but in terms for the sound, let's just say that, I mean, I don't remember too well how these sounded when they were brand new.
It's been a while
they were pretty nice, but they've definitely died down a little bit. But these at half volume destroy these by a mile. So they're definitely just very, like, I forgot how good earbuds were. The noise canceling is great with the music. You can't hear anybody, so it's great if you
have noise canceling.
No noise canceling on these. There was no transparency mode either, I don't even think, but they were, you know, good for starter. But these definitely worth it if I had to say it. And the app is just very great, and I haven't even tried the bass or lag modes or whatever this stuff is.
So this is a button and a dial. So what is you could?
I did volume for the dial, which makes pretty good sense. So that's working here. It's a little, yeah, it's working, which is pretty cool. Yeah, it like gives a little noise. Now you can just play. I don't even have to use my phone basically, and I can just skip, and the different songs started playing. So it's pretty cool.
That's a cool feature. Now I'm sad that I don't have a button on mine, man.
I know the button is a very, very cool thing. I do like, yeah, the design's great, looks good. I mean, I'll probably just figure them out a little bit, obviously. I mean, it looks a little weird probably, but they're very great, worth for the price and worth for the quality and everything, so I definitely recommend. All right, so that was my review without my brother of just my new CMF Buds Pro 2. I definitely recommend these 100% for the price because the quality is great, the sound quality is amazing, and the app and everything, they're just great. There's no bad things. I mean, the only thing I would recommend obviously is some wireless charging, but for 40 bucks, I can't complain.
No brainer for 40 bucks?
No brainer for 40 bucks. If you ever need some earbuds, just get these. And thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one.